Merienda, sibuyas. Infused water.
Ano yan pa? Ano? Ano? Chicken nila.
First breakfast and lunch.
Mana?
Yaman. Billion.
Breakfast done and that?
Morning, Bill. How are you? Good. And you? Good, good. Okay. Already?
Yes.
So maybe just request my
Si Bian kumain yata.
Si Bian?
Just my dear.
Okay.
Go there first.
Okay.
And then sabi niya Ubud Art Market. We're gonna pass there pero if we want we can stop pero there's no parking there so ano daw. Like if we wanna go there we have to we have to
Nah.
do a long walk.
Okay.
We have to do like walk long.
Hindi pala naatarasan.
Hello. Hey! Vagina. Sama
Here, bersama is together. But sama-sama is mean you welcome.
Kasi
Ah.
dito winter, sama, same.
Sama is the
Pag winter
same.
dito parang Pinas.
Here the open is
Parang pag
buka.
winter dito,
Buka, yeah.
Pinas.
In
Tag-ulan.
Philippines, bukas.
Ganun.
Oh,
Sa atin din eh.
Pinto is door. I mean, pinto.
pintu ya.
In Philippines, pinto with O.
Pintu. Oh.
Tingin-tingin.
Yeah, little bit similar. And some of little bit close, but
Yeah.
not
Yeah, and that
Different spelling.
same but
Close,
different.
but-
same but different. Yeah.
Atin.
Ganda ng
Tingin.
sabi
I take one more,
Parang special
one clip.
Ma-picture daw.
Picture.
Okay. Just so to Marco.
Ipopost niya pa tayo. Siguro ipopost siya tayo diya.
Yeah.
Everyone ready? Day one. Ay.
Mga.
Traditional.
Traditional.
We have to walk along ano. Pero like kaya sabi ko, i-edit mo sa 1.5.
Yeah, normal traffic is 1.5, but sometime and also in Ubud the traffic is very crowded in the center, and the monkey forest just in the center of Ubud.
Ano yung water pala natin na iwan naman?
Dito na sa car.
Eto,
Ay, hindi
picture.
nakita.
Let's go.
Mr. Mango.
Picture muna tayo dyan. Picture tayo.
We have time.
Tidak ada apa-apa.
If you say thank you, salamat.
Salamat.
Yes.
Ito. Tapos sabihin mo kaya. Wow. Wow.
Okay, welcome to our place. Before you go to inside, I give you information first about everything here, about the garden and the product. And here we have tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. And then special coffee, luwak coffee. Do you know about luwak coffee?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you tried before?
No, this is our first
Okay, after I give you
Can we eat the musang?
Are you sure?
Sorry.
I give you musang. Okay, after I give you information about luwak coffee, and we have animal also inside, yeah?
Oh.
Animal or musang just eat Arabica
Ay,
coffee. Because the skin of Arabica coffee, when the color become red, more sweet than Robusta. That is Robusta coffee, the leaf is bigger, and this Arabica coffee, the leaf is smaller. The animal just like with Arabica.
Arabica.
Robusta.
Robusta.
Patigas daw yung robusta.
And then you also dry it.
Parang beehive.
Yeah, that's but the local bee from Bali. That the
Beer.
honey more black than normal honey, and that's more expensive.
More expensive. I
Black
think
honey.
similar in Nepal, something like that.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, we mix with coffee. Good for energy, stamina, memory, and then cholesterol. Sometimes we call it Red Bull coffee or Papa Mama coffee. Taking that. Happy, Mama drink Papa.
You can drink that, Mama.
Turmeric, yeah? Yeah, and then we process milk tea. Turmeric tea. And this one ginger. Here we have ginger tea and ginger coffee.
Yeah.
Lemongrass. We calling tanglat, yeah?
Yeah.
That is flower, blue flower. We calling butterfly flower. And then we process milk tea, butterfly pea tea, blue tea. Yeah. I show you the animal.
Ayun na animal.
This animal produce best coffee, ma'am. Calling white, maybe like mongoose or possum. And this animal nocturnal, active in the night, sleeping during the day. His name Johnny.
Johnny.
Wild or seems like a,
So he's sleeping right now.
like a pet, something like that.
No. Yeah, it is more friendly. You
More
want touch?
friendly.
You can touch.
Slowly.
What's his name, Johnny?
His name Johnny.
Johnny.
Johnny Cross.
Sleeping.
Hello, man.
Luwak.
Can I touch him? Can I touch him too?
I'm Luwak.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Here.
Oh, don't start it.
Because this animal sometimes aggressive.
Okay, go, touch your love. Go.
This Johnny more sleeping.
Slowly lang.
Yeah. Later, wake up his sleep.
Sometimes they wait when they need some water.
And here we have just some animal, this just for sample. Because normally they need to drive and then they take a bath if you forward.
Yes, every morning we have to wash them. If you not wash, quite small.
Hmm.
You understand?
Okay, enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, that's the coffee bean.
Yeah, we do the medium.
Can I?
Johnny.
Ah,
This is coffee, but still soup, yeah, not processed. Yeah. It's okay. But when you smell, the smell not like who because Johnny just eat fruit and coffee.
can you smell?
So no smell. Nothing. Yeah. Okay. So we collect first. After we collect, and then we wash with hot water many times until we got sterile and hygienic like this. Yeah. 1,000 times. Okay. So we cut like this, yeah. Not peanut. This coffee.
That's the coffee bean.
And then before we roasting, ma'am, we must remove the skin because we not process this.
So it's very clean.
Yeah. We just process the bean.
The bean.
So don't worry, this coffee not contact with poop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sterile, yeah. Okay. And then we have roasting there.
Yeah. Ah.
Normally for 1 kilo coffee, we roasting around 1 hour until we got black color like this.
That's why it's expensive.
Yeah. And then we smash here until we got powder. But it's not finished yet.
Can I
The last-
try?
Yeah, of course. Same bean Arabica, but different process from Papa first. This Bali coffee. You can pass that. Normal coffee. And this from Johnny.
This is the normal coffee.
Different,
Can
yeah?
I smell Johnny?
And this Johnny. This normal coffee. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And this
Yeah.
Johnny.
Like it's very strong flavor.
Coffee. And this from Johnny.
It really smell like coffee talaga.
And this from Johnny, yeah?
Before going to
You know,
roasting,
this Bali coffee strong, high caffeine. Luwak coffee strong, but low caffeine and less acidic. This one is because of the fermentation. So this is really for your stomach, yeah? You remove the color.
Yes.
This one.
like this, and then after this, roast and then filter. Finally, one here. You can smell.
Perfect.
Coffee, we have normal coffee, Balinese coffee. This is normal coffee.
This one is not.
Ayan, dami na.
Even the taste,
The smell is
even the taste leather is very different. You can try inside. Yeah? Have coffee.
Don't put
She said this one.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
same.
Nah, it's aggressive. That's what they said. Yeah, that's why they're in cage.
and this more aggressive. Don't put your
Yeah.
Has the same ano.
Let's go, let's go.
Tayo sa tour guide.
Wait, picture tayo dyan, ha?
Later. Later naman lang.
Sleep.
blind. You just sleep.
That's good.
It just opened with eyes.
Yeah. Oh, let's go. Wow. We're gonna do coffee tasting. This is the plantation. We're gonna do.
Chiki. His name Chiki.
Yeah, Chicky. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. This is our menu.
Yep.
We have tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. After from Bali Coffee until Butterfly PT, this I give you all free for testing. In little cup like that, yeah?
Yes.
Free for testing.
Yeah. Because we have small store in there. So maybe after you interest and you want to buy some, everything you must test first. And this just information for you. This all product easy for bring to your country. You can bring to airport because the product already processed and then with shield inside as long as don't open the bag.
Yeah.
Okay? And this special for Luwak coffee. I'm sorry there's no free because special product, yeah?
Yeah.
So if you want to try for 1 cup, 55,000 rupiah, yeah?
Yeah.
How many cup you want Luwak coffee?
Maybe
You said you want to try.
This free and this 1 cup 55. No
three
free pa.
cups. Yeah.
No
maybe
this special.
maybe 3 cups.
3 cup Luwak coffee
Thank
and
you.
free testing.
Thank
yeah?
you.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Wait, moment, I'm prepare your coffee. Yeah?
Here, toilet here.
Oh, toilet we have. Yeah, just follow me. You can take picture.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No sugar.
Yeah, typical ano.
Black coffee.
This is the luwak now without coffee, without sugar. Iba yung lasa niya.
Yeah.
Parang may burnt taste siya na.
Mas mataba.
Kapag ka man.
Try.
Yung Bali. Ay,
Ito na muna.
Bali daw.
Ande, Bali first. Bali coffee muna.
Bali. Hindi kayo nakakatae.
Ay, may toilet naman sila.
Without sugar first, yeah?
Para you can compare.
Without sugar.
So do you want I take a picture of you?
Yes,
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, i-video mo na lang.
Ito na po yung vanilla. Ayun po yung coconut eh.
Vanilla daw.
Kailangan yan.
Yan ang vanilla.
Ayun po yung ano. Coconut po.
Sige, i-video mo na.
Namin natin lagyan ng creamer.
And then,
Ano
so
to?
we tried the
Ginger.
Bali coffee and we'll try coconut.
Coconut.
This is ginger.
Coconut.
First time yan sir.
Teka. Ito vanilla, di ba?
Ito yung coconut. Durian.
So durian. Thank you.
Last one.
Yeah, you can really taste the
This is really good.
sa durian.
And the other, the
Durian?
last one is
Last one.
ginseng.
Durian, yeah.
This is ginseng. Huli natin yung durian.
That's a
So,
coconut.
titikman muna namin ginseng, no?
Kasi ito naman yung like. I like the Kita mo. Ano talaga?
Let's try
Mga strong.
Roasted.
Okay,
Parang
first.
yun yung may malalasahan.
Which one's Bali? Ano?
Effect. Pero
So
wala
we
pa
must
tong
try
sugar,
the Bali.
Bali.
Bali first.
Try mo
Don't
ta.
tell me Okay, you go first.
Mama.
Right.
Bibili ako.
It's with no sugar.
I'll try the
And this one is the luwak.
Right. And then, we're gonna
coffee
put
with
sugar on it.
no from John. Vanilla coffee.
Vanilla.
From John.
Yeah, that's that more ano,
No, this.
No, ito daw.
more bitter taste to it. Pero you can
Strong.
distinguish.
Strong. Mas strong siya.
strong.
Ito medyo
Coconut coffee is good.
Yeah.
ano siya.
Coconut.
Coconut coffee.
This is good for really parang coffee lang.
Always stress.
Fresh brown.
No, she's the queen. Queen of stress.
Gusto niya yung coffee.
This mangosteen, yeah.
Ginger coffee.
Cocoa.
Wait.
Very ginger. Ikaw, avocado.
And when you drink with iced tea, more stress.
Avocado coffee.
Tastes like
This
raspberry.
is,
Yeah, like juice.
this is ginger tea.
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea.
Ginger tea, this one's ginger.
Also good, ginger tea.
I like the ginger coffee. Vanilla.
This ginger coffee.
Nakatapa ko yung
And this one,
Lemon tea.
this is lemon tea.
Yeah.
Ginger tea, lemon tea.
Ano to?
Bali mochaccino.
Good no, sorry.
Lemon tea.
Mamaya na.
Lemongrass tea.
Bali
She's
cocoa.
drinking all the vanilla.
And herbal tea. Herbal
This
tea.
one?
Ay, yung durian coffee.
What is this one?
The ginger tea.
No, we just have ginger tea.
Herbal tea.
Lemon.
This with sugar already. Just for this.
What did you taste?
What's this
Oh,
one?
that's the hot choco.
Hot choco?
Bali cacao.
Bali?
Bali cacao.
Okay.
Oh, so refreshing.
This is lemon tea.
And then mangosteen.
Tea.
Like good for cold.
And this is the butterfly.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen. And then last, the durian.
I like that.
Yeah, it tastes like raspberry. Na?
Ginger tea.
This durian.
Okay. And then this is ginger tea, yeah?
Yeah.
Banana tea.
Very good.
Ito na yung herbal.
Turmeric.
First
Turmeric.
time again to.
That's good too.
Which one you
Ano
like?
yan?
He likes only the
Ginger?
That's the herbal.
hot chocolate. Ano yung...
Vanilla.
You like vanilla?
And then,
Coconut.
what's next?
Lemon tea.
Rosella. Hibiscus.
That's good.
You can
Lemongrass.
say because the smell.
Tanglad.
Not bad.
And then the blue flower,
Hindi ko na.
the butter.
Mas okay lang yung lemon tea.
Herbal.
Vanilla pa. Ihalaya ko yan.
You want vanilla?
Ito yung mga pang sugar pa.
At the butterfly.
North Roselia.
Carousel.
Roselia tea.
How much the vanilla coffee?
After you check inside, these are 3 size, yeah? 200 gram, medium 500 gram, the big 1 kilo.
Lasang sabon. Wait lang. Lasang wine. Lasang wine.
Ayun na, butterfly tilab.
Butterfly tea. Tingnan mo, pakita mo doon sa ano, kulay blue.
Wow,
It's naturally blue.
Rachel, this one's good.
Ay, parang nalalasa to.
Walang lasa.
Durian coffee.
That's mango
And last one, durian.
Last one, but not the least. Durian.
Amoy mo muna. Smell it first.
Now, because, you know,
It's good for...
we're getting older, you know.
Luwak is good.
Vanilla tsaka luwak.
Masang gamot.
Yes,
I would buy
I can say I'm reducing the
mangosteen
sugar
tsaka luwak.
because
Ano luwak?
what do you call that? But I'm not diabetic. She's diabetic.
Yung vanilla okay din.
I will try vanilla. Mangosteen. Coconut.
You're gonna have the special coffee is gonna be over there in case you have to get some recipe. They also come in a little bag, 100 grams.
Lechong isda.
Matarik ha?
Just follow her.
Thank you. Anda, sige mo ano kayo? Wow.
Gusto mo kasi. Special po tayo. Kaya mo special.
Go, baba, baba.
Saan yung shoes?
Wow.
Ating tanggalin agad yung shoes.
Okay, pick up your...
Wow. It feels so cool.
Ang galing naman niya. Parang ang yummy naman na.
Oh, beer tayo, beer.
Oo, meron. Tapos mamaya nakain pa.
Kumana yung
Pwede
kit mo?
mag-sit?
Yes, ate.
Uy!
Mga sila. They're ready for ano, feed.
Bro, bintang tayo.
Tara.
Baka hindi kasi maupo.
Ano pangalan nito? Eva Sari.
Take this. Oh, you're feeding the fish?
Ah.
So if you want, I can take a picture maybe from there or from the
Ah.
camera. Is it raining?
Ayun, bigay sa camera.
Ayun lab, pay akin.
Try it, try it. See the fish.
Go.
Mama.
Just like Bill.
Wala baka nawala na yung ano niya.
Ayun na. Ayun na
Yung
siya.
password.
Atingin na.
Kaya
Let's try
Peter nut
the iconic
Yeah.
bintang. Bali.
Refreshing.
Tang ting tang ting
Kailangan
tang.
i-measure natin yan.
Let's taste. What's
Is
it
it
all
ano?
about? Red horse?
Red
Ay, sunny.
Mama,
Ay, sun.
parang red horse.
Sunny glide. Alam mo talaga.
Sarap.
What's this? Lagkit na ng kilikili ko.
Pull your, ayun. Si Jay.
Everyone,
Lift up.
this
Lift up yan.
toast is for our success.
With the business meeting. Cheers.
Toast for enjoyment.
Thank you,
Cheers.
Thank you, Lord, for this.
Cheers.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Lord.
Lord.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, love.
Cheers.
Tungga ah. 1, 2, 3. Shot, shot, shot.
Lahat.
Mm.
Parang lasang Yakult.
Ah.
Parang lasang Yakult.
Kumanda yung bote.
Ano yan eh, kumbaga
Lemongrass. Lemongrass.
ginger.
Kanta na kanta.
It tastes like Yakult. If you
Yakult.
drink Yakult, it tastes like Yakult.
Ano yun, parang
But not milky.
Opo yata. Kapakita.
Hindi, kasi nga nung pupunta kami ng Hong Kong,
Ang galing.
ang costume daw,
Eh pwede yung iwanan nyo sa ilalim, tanggalin sa taas.
Tapos pwede ilagay lang
Walang
yung
siya.
Ayun, kamukara kay CJ.
Tapos pwede nilagay.
si Jay ayaw isuot.
At tapos pwedeng arm,
Hindi kay CJ.
pwedeng arm
Ay,
sleeves.
ito pala yung yung sa kanya, kaya lang wala yung pambaba.
Pwedeng arm sleeves.
Pwede.
Hindi.
I want.
Oh, pwede naman po kasi.
Ay, si Jay po yata yan.
Palit.
Thank you.
Ice mocha, host ice mocha.
Strawberry.
Ay, strawberry.
I got some.
What's that, be? Bakit may ano yung sa dentist? Ay,
There.
what's that,
May pang check.
Actually, mirror.
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream yung Very, parang I want. Hindi ko maganan yung kilikili.
Can you add that one?
This same day now. Hindi ma'am, iba to. Gusto mo ganito ma'am?
Yes,
One of
That's all.
You want that as well or strawberry? Nah, that's all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
ice cream chocolate.
Ay, paabot nga po yun.
Kumakain ka ng coffee, di ba?
galing Pilipinas, 60,000. Diba?
Lagay niya sa ano. It is art.
Wala kang ito yung
Resident.
pouch.
Ganito pala yung feeling niya. No?
Wala kang pouch.
Pork ribs?
Bark, what's the bark?
Sa'yo ba yung Carla?
Pork ribs.
Ako di ano.
Pork ribs.
No, with rice sa atin eh.
With rice.
The special?
Mine is with rice eh.
Maybe that's your.
Mama yan. Ayan, kasi walang rice.
Di, with rice ang kanya eh.
Magpapapicture tayo ah. Ako muna.
Mami mo na pagkakompleto na.
Yeah, 2. Thank you. Mahal. Mahal.
Sate.
Yeah, mix sapa eh.
There. This is yours.
Chicken barbecue sauce for the yesterday. You can share for the ribs.
Okay.
Tuna steak. Wow.
And another one.
Ano yan?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Parang ano yan dyan, parang dragon.
For the fish and nasi goreng.
Okay, thank you so much.
Can you
A picture rin is.
Take a picture please.
Lasing ka na yata pa.
Si Papa pa nag-aya. Alam si Papa, hindi kita sila ate.
Ayun na,
Hindi kita sila.
Wait lang.
Ayan mo yung ano pa. Ayun na. Pa, pindutin mo yung logo na yun. Ayun na. Ayan, ayan.
Mama naman dikit.
Hindi, pindutin mo yun pa.
Mas maliit.
Yun, hindi. Sa taas yan. No. Ayan, no? Ayan, hindi. Yung sa may screen mismo. Yung sa may picture. Yan. Sa baba. Yung baba niyan. Yan. One, two.
Wow, parang ensalada mo. Parang ensalada.
Sige rin. Legal?
Kaya mo na kahit di ko kita. Kaya mo na.
Wait, asin. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Jay.
Teka.
Babe, ano ba kayo ulo mo? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gawa ng gano'n. Natitipirin mo sa sarili mo para sa pamilya mo. Tapos,
Banana spring roll.
Yep. Thank you.
Real banana spring. And also
Yeah, thank you.
panakopa. That's panakopa. Okay, bibiyan yan.
Thank you. Aftermath. How was your lunch, guys? Lunch pala to? Lunch pala. Kala ko breakfast pala. G4 daw tayo ah. We are G4! Mag-intermission.
The G4. Asa mo yun?
Ito yung ginagana no?
Oy! Shampoo yan.
Hindi, hindi ginagana.
Paano?
Shampoo yan eh.
Ito yung ginagana ito.
Ayan. Ayan, sabusod. Okay na lang. Pwede mapapawala ko sa inyo. Wala. Bayad mo lang. Yeah. $200. Sino naman? Sino naman nag-serve?
Our lunch was really good. Thank you for recommending.
Okay, how your lunch? Good?
Very good. Very unique experience.
Love the experience.
Sa atin yung mga ganyan, lagay agad. Yung mga nagka-traffic, di ba? Di ba?
Ni Val sa pagpunta niya daw sa hospital, sabi daw ni Jarvis, "Hey ma'am, did you tell your friends?" Parang ano pa tinatanong pa, "Did you tell your friends that I'm in the hospital?" Parang what did they say? Parang ganun pa. Parang excited.
Yeah, in the Philippines where I was born. Yeah, because
Rice
I'm
also.
a son of a farmer.
Okay.
And of course, I used to harvest rice before.
Manual?
Yeah.
By hand?
Yes, using the blade, you know. Yeah.
Hello. Good afternoon. How are you? Welcome.
Thank you.
You guys can have a seat first. How many of you?
3.
6.
Ay.
7. We have 7.
7. Alright guys, so before we start to do the swing, I would like to explain some information for you first.
Yeah.
So about the swing that we have here, we have adrenaline swing, single, tandem, libra, jumping, and bed swing. And we also have photo spot like egg nest, onion nest, heart nest, bird nest, and stair to heaven. And then you will get full access because all of the swing and photo spot will be including in one package. And for the photo and video, in here we will have you to take it, but we only using your mobile phone. So you just need to pass your phone to my friend down there, and they will be help you to click the picture, the video for free without any charge. In every spot, we already have the photographer for you. And then for the swing, don't worry about the safety. We put safety belt and harness for you, so it's 100% safe. And you guys also can request for the speed to push it just slowly, medium, or fast. So they will push you as your request. And if you would like to try the fast speed, they will be jump like this to push you.
Ayun ma. Safe naman eh.
But also for this one, in the beginning, we
No,
will
it's
start
up
with
to you,
slowly
Mama.
first.
It's up to you if you want.
We will start with
yeah.
slowly first, and
Not
they will be
forcing
push
you.
you more if you allow them to push you. So they will be always ask permission to you before they push you fast. Also here we have slowly swing like this one. So not all of our swing going fast. We also have slowly swing like this. This one we call it bed swing. In here, 2 person can sit in one swing.
How many kilos does it?
For what?
Like-
the highs?
No,
the swing.
The weight.
The weight.
The limit weight is 200 kilo.
Ah.
Yeah.
Should be okay.
Now this one for the ladies, later if you would like to hire the dress, we can make a video like this one.
Oh, that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go. You want that? Go, lang.
So like everything is like in a package?
Yeah, everything including in the packet exclude the dress. For the swing price, here we have two options. The swing that will be including with lunch will be 630 per person. No lunch will be 530 per person. And for the dress hire, if you would like to hire, it's 300,000 rupiah for one dress.
Okay.
So would you like to do with lunch or without lunch?
Without lunch.
Without lunch. So I need your help to fill up the form.
Yeah.
I need the name
Do
of
we
the
need
person
the
that will be
person?
doing the swing. That will be do the swing.
Okay. Just
Only the one.
Yep.
No, hindi ka naman siguro tataas.
Ay, kailangan nag-vlog.
Pili na ng dress.
Ganda siguro yung emerald.
Si kay Darren te, hindi sa couple.
Dapat tingnan.
I-match mo sa akin. Ayun, hindi, no, this one. No, the other one, light.
this one.
Ay.
Paano ito pagkakas?
Ayun, no. Sure kaya, mama?
Sino nakasakay doon? Naka-blue? Eh, ba't di siya nakasakay?
Oh, no.
I can fly.
Ganda.
To the lobby because
Laki yun, bro?
to make like a video ba?
Ganda look.
Hindi, marami.
Saan yung galing?
You want to keep your bag in the lobby? We have like a drawer.
Yes, yes. Maybe.
But my phone is there.
You want to bring your
Take the
phone to
phone.
take a
Just
picture.
take the phone. Did you get your phone?
Yeah. Thank you. Ara. Camera. 1, 2. Kulas.
Ya, tumawa ka.
Can you please? Look at dito. Go! You can do it. Sandal lang, sandal. Sandal lang, ate. Ate, sandal lang. Ay. Kalma lang, love. Wow. Aura, aura. Bitaw na, bitaw! Bitaw daw! Talon!
Look at me, please. Look at me all the time. Look at me all the time. Smile. One, this one.
Good job. Wait, no hands.
No hands. No hands.
Wait,
No hands.
Oh, bitaw, bitaw.
No hands. No hands.
Bitaw. One more time.
Ay, Benjo.
Papa picture po kami dito eh. Okay.
Good job.
Feeling good tata.
Feeling good daw.
Feeling good tata.
Feeling good.
ako pinagpawisan.
It's so scary, but when you're there, it's okay na.
Pagkakit pala sa upuan, di ko na kaya.
Mag careful ha. Just lean back.
Yung may cellphone.
Ay! Ay!
Wala pa nga eh.
Not careful! Oh my gosh! Love not too much! Ah! Oh my gosh! I can't do that.
Kiss me ata. Kiss me ata.
Yung brace mo.
Ay! Ah!
Hindi, mas malakas ang loob niya kaysa sa akin.
Enough, enough, enough.
Mas malakas ang loob niya kaysa sa akin.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi kayo ginanon.
Sabi ko po enough, enough.
Panihan kuya. Bitaw, bitaw. Bitaw.
Bitaw, bitaw.
Bitaw, bitaw.
Bitaw kuya, bitaw, bitaw.
Look at me kuya. Look at me. Bitaw.
Bitaw daw. Maayos naman, maayos. Ay! 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 Oh my gosh. So scary.
So scary.
Next, that's all.
Oh, sit down daw pa.
Kasi ilagay mo na kasi yan na ganyan eh. Noona nakaganyan mo sa'yo. Sa akin, ginanong niya pati ka mo.
Wow.
Hindi, ginanyan niya noona. Kinampa mo yung sandwich mo. Ay,
Ayun, sige.
ano sila?
Ikaw muna.
Wait, 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 wait. One more. One, two, and... Okay. Thank you.
Di pa na rin tayo nag-tiktok. Pagod ako sa kapit. Si, okay, tama na, tama na. Yeah, okay. Nice to put it
You'll be fine.
Nalota. Pon patang. Nalota. Yeah. Nalota. Smile, 1, 2. One hand on the knee. All right.
Dito kayo, sa stairway.
Look at me. Look, my boss. Smile, baby. Maybe not too high. Is that okay? No, just on the half of the way. We want to get down.
I saw here, sir.
Hi.
I stay here, it's okay.
Yeah,
So I
all good. Yeah, no, all good.
Smile. 1, 2. One hand on the knee. Look that side. One, two. One hand put behind. Look at me now. 1, 2. Both hands. Smile. 1, 2. Do this.
Kinuha kang lechon. Wow. Ay. Nahilo na ah. Ay.
Look at me. Okay. Nice. Here you go.
Careful.
One hand here.
Ah.
Yes, this. How many people got stand? Nih, beras nanti pakai situ. Ya. Di sini, Pak. Ah. Miss. Hold. Okay, I will give you extra fresh. Let me make a video like this. You can start from here, and then I will say 1, 2, 3, go. You can go in down like this.
Run?
Not run, just walk a bit fast. Okay? Until the front of the nest, you can spin it.
Okay.
Okay?
Maano lang sa paa. Ready?
Go!
1, 2, 3, go.
Ay? Ah.
Kala ko nga kasama sila sa picture. Dapat gano'n natin. Eh, paano kung walang $3?
Tayo, hindi tayo magkaganyan.
Ah.
Lahat tayo? Ikaw na lang po.
Ay, ma.
Excuse me. So, nakakonsol
Ma, quick.
Babe, bayaran mo siya.
Sa'yo, ganyan, bro. Ah, thank you. Ah, thank you. Gusto ko lang.
Pa!
Apa, quick. Ayun, lagyan ko. And the hat. Yung hat. Yeah, hat. Sorry. Thank you. Ha? Hindi naman siya. Thanks. Careful.
Where's your camera?
Yeah, we're right.
So later you stand there. I will take a picture.
Okay.
How to get the camera?
Ah.
Let's go. Yeah, this is Hindu temple.
Ah.
Hindu temple. Yeah, this is the middle area. So usually we can take a picture there, but that is the main gate under renovation, so we cannot take a picture there.
Ah,
okay.
Ah, thank you. Thanks.
They using bamboo as well.
Oh, yeah,
Scaffolding.
Scaffolding, yeah.
Bamboo. Yeah.
Very strong.
Very strong bamboo.
Of course, in China, they're using bamboo.
Bamboo as well. Yeah. Cheap but strong.
Sarang. Ayan, dyan oh. Maliit lang.
So you know this flower?
Jasmine?
Frangipani. How about
Can do and then
yeah,
ear.
ear.
Ear?
Yeah.
And then. Can I see? Dito kayo. Oh, picture.
Pani flower.
In your ear. Lila. Uy. Wow. So it's currently under construction, so unfortunately we weren't able to take any photos. This is the main entrance or main gate. Wow. Ah, that's
Gamelan. We need like 20 people to playing this.
24.
Just playing when the festival.
ah.
First one we went.
The dance?
Yeah.
Dance,
yeah.
they play
Yeah.
here. Ah, they play
You can
here.
walk around. Yeah, you can walk around. Coconut, just a fresh water coconut.
Mahal, I'm just gonna. Mahal. Mahal, I'll just pee pee.
Yes. Meat inside, yeah?
What's that? The snakes.
Snake skin.
Come on. Good? Do you eat the...
Hello, what fruits you have? We have mango, dragon fruit, rambutan.
Snack skin. Ah, thank you. Ang mahal.
Is a balot? Nasi ayam. What's this one?
Tapos ano, buy nila sa... Ano? Matiga.
Kami ito kay mama?
Ay, mama, papa. Ay, kalate. This way? It's hard eh.
Just in Bali. Kila ate to? Bakit ano, 100? Bakit 200?
Ay, tsaka kalunga. Ay, kuya pa si papa.
Wow, thank you.
Walang parang 50,000? Okay na.
It's okay sila.
Do you want silk or smoothie?
Wow.
Bian, you want one too?
Na...
Yes,
Ay.
Eka lang buko ka.
So four. Four.
Wow! 2, 3.
So good?
Pwede ma, kung gusto mo.
Laki naman. Ay, tatay mo kabayo. Ay, pakainin mo yan.
Ay, grabe. Ang sarap.
Thank you.
Para may dumi siya.
How is it? Look here. Turn around. One hand on your knee. Maarte. Ma, huwag ka na.
Siguro, saka yung balag.
Okay lang yan. Ayun. Yummy.
Okay na.
Mango shake.
45.
Sa atin.
Pwede naman inumin sa
Sa atin,
kanya.
dalawang mango, 10 po.
Ha?
Bayan. Pero magpahit mo na.
Yeah, how much this tomate?
Sabi mo.
One coconut.
Coconut and two.
Sabi mo, tanong mo muna. Sabi mo. Thank you. And sabi mo.
And this is our payment. One coconut and then one.
Ah.
Take the change.
Thank you so much.
Let's go. And juice, 1 minute.
So,
70. 70.
One coconut and one
Oo
mango.
nga, dalawa sila, dalawa.
That's 50.
25. Ayos na 70. Sa atin.
chicken skin?
Yeah.
Chicken skin. Chicken skin daw yan. no?
How much food?
Chicken skin?
10,000. 10,000. You have 10,000 pa.
Ay, you have $30
Change. Ayun.
change.
Ah, one. No?
One chicken skin.
Ayan pa.
10,000.
Thank you.
Thank you. Chicken skin daw.
Thank you. Say,
Basic Carlos, ay.
ba't ako? Kasalanan ko. Ang taas naman ng steps nila. Oh. There's a step. Be careful. Nice. Thank you. Nice. Hmm? Ano? How much is that?
Oh.
Ayun daw birthday gift mo daw kay CJ Max niya daw.
Alin yan? Cruise?
Ayun,
Cruise or star?
ayun daw birthday gift niya kasi.
Ayan na eh.
Parang
How
may
much?
bill tayo.
Magkano ba?
That's cool, no?
Pili ka daw ba?
Wala ka na.
Oh, may like CJ mga
Horse.
yung mga bono, kaya mahal din ko yan. Baka may afterpay sila. Mga parang ka-presyo din lang sa ano. Si 8.
At least dito malaki.
Squeeze.
Apatsu. Where are you guys going?
Hindi naman ako kita. Saan ba?
Ay, parang binibilang ko parang kulang.
Ayun.
Ayun na.
Kamay lang.
Si Annalyn.
Pinapatay na ako.
Kailan na-open ang swimming pool?
Flex natin.
Hindi lang naman talak. Talak.
So, we're going out for dinner tonight. We're going to try the food court. It's like a night market. Wow. Presko lang, ah.
Hindi, ganito yata talaga yung style, mama. Ganyan yata talaga yung style. One size? Ganyan yata yung style, ma, parang pambahay lang. Is there smaller size?
Small one size? Small?
Is
How
there
much
smaller
one?
size? Yes, smaller size.
How much one? This one? This one is 25,000.
Oh, five pieces.
Parang haba
Eh.
sa'yo.
Yeah. So may nakita kaming nagbebenta dito sa may harap ng hotel namin.
Ano yung mobile?
Parang loungewear siya. Love, kaya ano kaya?
Kung nakabili ako, magpapalit ako ngayon pa kaya ito wala sa
Tingin na ka? Wow, yan love.
Parang natin mo.
Baka si ano. Kaya ate Karin kaya, baka gusto niya. Karin. Para presko lang. Lovers in Bali. Hey. Dinala ko yung ano. Ito na yung what do you call it?
Ako left side tatawid sa.
Ito yung
Nakabili po kayo?
yan.
Okay po. Okay po.
Tui Street Foods sana.
Bolt na muna.
Ay.
Bolt na muna ako doon. Mabilis.
Teka, teka. Wait lang. Montage lang ako. Wait lang, montage lang.
Hindi, naisip ko kasi mas marami naman sa pupunta. Pero sa hindi pa na.
Tayo ng aso.
Pasok na. May bintang. May ano pala kantahan no? May karaoke. Karaoke doon.
Bakit?
Sarap.
Which one? 1,811,000. Yeah?
Nana. We're just gonna get the small pack.
Okay.
Be friends. Ayun, may ano.
Anything else?
That's all for now here.
You don't need a new order?
Oh, I got that. I already have some.
Okay.
Some story, but yeah, I just wanna try something.
Okay.
Yeah, just two packs there. Hopefully I got the manga. That's what I'm craving at. Binabasa yung pa.
Asa kaya sila?
Nasa sila?
Okay.
Saan?
Wala tayo? Ay, dito may public mo rin dito.
Where did you go? How much was it? Huh? How much was it?
Kami sa akin.
Ano?
Ba yun?
Let's walk up.
Huh? Yung ata.
We'll back. I will be back.
Maybe you wanna look at them more?
Maybe.
Thank you.
Waffle.
Dalawang entrance.
Ay, egg waffle yan, be. Egg waffle.
Ayan.
Ay, sombrero mo.
Pilitan mo, sa Lucky 8.
Lucky 8?
Oo, yung kinainan namin.
Pandalo ka daw, ma. Chinese. Parang Chinese. Ano daw?
Tayo sa ano, yeah, sa claw machine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Box, ano lang box.
Ah, ito na pork. It's all duck. You guys know it's only chicken and chicken and duck? You guys know? Wala silang pork?
Yeah.
Chicken?
So, kaya din sa flavor, di ba?
Okay.
May chicken, may rice.
Ah, bro, yan.
Kasi na siguro yan. Diyan kasi nakadaan sa kanya ito. Kulang sa kanya.
No, 100,000 lang yun.
Ha?
Maayos na meron silang mga ano, tingnan mo, oh, meron corn soup rin, oh.
May kambing nga sila eh.
Ito, oh.
Bakit na? Ah,
Mga
pakita ko ba?
siomay, tingnan mo.
Ayaw nga niya yan. Sige, samahan ko na lang to.
KFC, 21 minutes.
Dito lang tayo. Sige, samahan ko na sumama.
Dito ka na lang kayo. Maglalakad na kayo?
Diyan lang yun.
Sa Alphamart lang. Tapos, yung lucky egg. Ay, lucky egg.
Pangit. Pangit ng food.
Matagdag ka na lang kay ate.
Cake na ba na yan?
Tindahan na ba eh?
Ay, bigyan mo siya ng pangano pa. Pa, matuwa mo siya doon. $10 lang. $10. Ayaw 100.
Pangit.
Kulang pa?
Pangit ng food.
Kaya pang magkalomo siya kami after.
Really?
$10 lang. Parang insulin yan.
Somehow they can do it.
Ah.
Yun lang, that's all.
Hati lang kami. Ay, kan. Ay, may gara.
Ano ito?
Ano yun? Hainan. Ano yun? Parang
Ha? Kasama yun.
tinola yun, di ba?
Balls yan. Ha?
Thank you.
Salted egg.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Two rice.
Ito yung rice?
Wait, one.
Ha? Yeah.
No cola? Finish ko.
Ah.
What do you have? Just Sprite? Yes, just Sprite. Yes.
Yeah, just the Sprite.
Ice lang yung din.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah.
Rami. Ada. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Ayan sa ito, dalawa lang ito. Yeah, thank you.
Order kaya?
Thank you. Nag-order na kayo spring rolls?